In here is a RadioShack 12250 with the box. I think it's basically new in box. And this is honestly like a birthday gift to myself. And the reason I got this particular radio, which will be the third 12250 in my collection, is because it came with the wall mount bracket. I've been wanting to try wall mounting these things. I don't think quite since I got it, because at that time I just wasn't that interested in wall mounting things. But certainly since I got a 249 last year that had its wall mounting bracket, I've been wanting to try wall mounting one of these. And I had honestly been contemplating getting another 250 anyway. They're kind of like WR120s for most people. I mean, to me, they're like WR120s are to most people, because I think a lot of people get multiple 120s so they can put them on different stations and in different rooms. And I like the ability for the siren to be turned down, and for the effective time of the alerts to be shown on the screen. So I like these 250s. Plus, they're just a lot older and kind of cooler than 120s, to be honest, but still, especially the WR120 DSP, seems like a very good radio. I should get one of those sometime soon. But I'm pretty sure this will be my last 250 that I get. I don't really need more than this, after all. This was very thoroughly packaged. Here it is. The box is in great shape. This is really cool. I do believe this was the first year that it was made. Here is the wall mounting bracket. Oh wow, it almost looks like the same as the 249 bracket, just in a different color. I never even thought about that. I guess I could have tried wall mounting one of my 250s with the 249's bracket. But like I said, I had been considering getting another 250 anyway. And there it is. Except for one little patch of slight discoloration right there. It is in spotless condition. There is a bit of dust on the buttons though. Let's see if I can get this open. Yep, there it goes. The foam on here has not degraded. It's just a bit stiff to open. And I do remember this time to press all the buttons to wish it good luck in service. Oh wow, there is a battery in there. Well, I guess I didn't get a chance to switch the programming switch yet, so let's do that now. And then it is on channel 4. It is not getting good reception. There we go.
Fire danger conditions can be expected. Please refer to your local burn permitting authority.
Sounds perfect.
Burn outdoors.
I've only heard of one or two of these things getting audio issues. These really are some of the best weather radios ever made, I think. Whoa. Yeah, so let's get it plugged in. And here are the papers. Here's the FIPS code sticker. My first one came with this in the plastic too. And it came with this too, but not this. So let's see what this is. Oh cool, there's an antenna diagram. Yes! I love external antennas. Okay, it actually doesn't look like a weather band specific one. Oh, I saw something about mounting, wall mounting on here. Yeah, there it is. The appliance should be mounted only as recommended by the manufacturer. Oh, that's helpful. So there's the manual. It was made in January '99, and the radio itself was made in June of 1999, which I believe makes it the oldest out of my 3 250s. Let's enter test mode now. Looks like all the lights work. The warning light's a little bit dim. And the backlight works just fine. It's nice and loud as it should. Let's see, I thought there was a way to test all the... There it is. All the screen elements, and they do work. And now we can test the channels.
Conditions are expected for much of North Georgia and portions of Central Georgia. The AM, Eastern Daylight Time, to low relative humidity.
It was on alert mode. Oh yeah, I forgot to zoom this in. Multiple county. Let me just get this out of view. And yep, there are indeed some counties programmed in here. Okay, I got all those counties erased out of there. It actually had 7 counties programmed in. So evidently this radio would have been used. It was just well taken care of, which is always really cool to see, especially... I know it's more common to have people actually program their radios as opposed to something like a telephone. But it's just cool to me when I see things that people have actually used as they were intended to. It's just not quite as common as you'd hope to be, or as you'd hope it to be. Okay. Let's get to the counties again, so I can put on all counties. And I believe that is the code for all counties. Unfortunately, there's no way to see which alerts the previous owners had disabled or enabled, so I'll just do what I like to do and put them all on. And the select check is where you can see your selections that you've been making on those alerts. Here's what it looks like. It takes forever, so I'm not going to actually do it. But as you can see, it says tone on. And then that's it for the programming menu. So let's put the door back on.
it was mostly
Let's see what kind of a battery's in here. Ah, jeez. Oh no, it's a Duracell, Leica cell. Let's get that out of here. I don't care that it works. It hasn't leaked yet. But it allegedly expired 3 years ago. That's admirable that it hasn't leaked at all. And it still has a charge. You know, I think these 9 volts are not the worst batteries that Duracell makes. But either way, the risk is gone and it's out of there, so let's just stick this bracket on here. And see what it looks like. There it is, sitting on the floor. So it would basically sit at an angle like that, which is hard to see on the camera. But here's what it would look like on the wall. It's pretty nice. So I'll definitely be wall mounting it at some point. And it's very nice to have this one. It's in great shape, comes with everything, and works perfectly. So there we go, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.